Hey Fam Bam, it's me, just Londa. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam? Bam! Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, just Londa, and Black History Month! So you know I always come through with the looks for Black History Month, and I try to use either Black-owned products or collaborations, or if they have stake in it, if the person has stake in it. So if it's a collaboration, or if like Fenty, Rihanna has stake in it, then yes, I did use those products. So the face is giving. I hope this year, 2023, can we stay out the news, Black folks? Can we stay out the news for Black History Month? Like, just be on the good foot for Black History Month. If we're going to be on the news, can it be for good things and not bad things? That's all I want. That's all I want. All right. So on that note, see this look? Let's go ahead and throw that beautiful baked bean footage. All right, for the sake of the video, I've already moisturized my face. It wasn't with a Black-owned product, so I don't even recall what's the name of it. But I do have Juvia's Place primer. I believe it's shade number 2 on my lids. We're gonna get this on and popping real quick because I need to. So I'm just going to fill in my brows a bit. And I'm just going to use the Juvia's pen. I'm going to take my brow gel from Juvia's Place. Okay, and I'm just going to do the other side off camera right quick. So I do have out in front of me the Mothership Free palette and the collaboration with Jackie Aina and ABH. I also have Mothership palette that looks like this one. I don't even recall what the name of this was. So what I will do is take Minted Yacht Life, which is a bronzer, and I'm going to start that in my backdrop because I need a bit of warmth in there, and I don't feel like getting up. Now, if you notice, I've actually been going like an upside down U. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but that's what I've done. I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette and pull out a bit of credit and put that on the outskirts. Yeah, on the outer V, on the inner V. Actually, I'm not going to put any on the inner V. It's just going to be outskirts. And whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just going in the inner part right here. So it kind of fades out into the deeper part of the deep V, making more of a C than a V. I don't know what color to use next, but I feel like I just want to be I don't want to be too much because I'm going out with the kids today. So I don't want, everything's falling. I don't want to be a bit much. Like, I just want to be put together. So I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. Put that all over the lid. I'm going to take this brownie color from Juvia's Place, and this is called Cocoa. I'm going to put that in my waterline. So I think I want to brighten it up just a tad bit. So I think I'm going to go in with a bit of Soli or so just a tad bit, and put that in the center. I am going to do a small bit of a tight line with my Juvia's Place liner, just a tad bit on the lash line, because I will be putting on lashes. As that dries down, I'm going to pull out my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Medium Deep in the color 25. I keep thinking that I have another color in this, but apparently it's just 25. I keep thinking I have 26. Alright, so I actually have a black owned sponge, and it's by the company called DSMD Shop. It's called Dark Skins Makeup Daily. I didn't know that's what that acronym was for. But yeah, I am going to use my number 12 Juvia's Place because I love this concealer. I'm going to take some of my Fenty powder in the color Honey. Honey. So I'm going to take this color from Pat McGrath, this color right here, and put that all over my lower lash line. I know I'm all over the place, but it's looking really good though. We're looking really good. So I'm going to go back over with my applicator that I used for foundation and just kind of blend that little harshness that I have. Just a tad bit of harshness. There we go. Because I just needed to be a little bit more balanced than what it was portraying. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do a bit of bronzing. So I'm just going to go into my Mented powder. For lips, I have the Juvia's Place lip liner in the color Brownie. So I'm just going to line my lip with Brownie. Proper Beauty Profits. Still smells good. Typically I don't like this color, but I'm starting to like it. Juvia's Place Barely There. I'm going to throw on some highlighter, which will actually come from Danessa Myricks. Going to try to go in with Golden Eclipse. I feel like that's the color that I want. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. Like I thought it was gonna be like how it is right here. Like if you look at my swatches, So yeah, I thought it was going to be, yeah. So let's go in with this color here and put that on it in a tear duct. Oh yeah, we're looking real proper here. We're looking all right. So I'm gonna throw on my lashes, take off this banner. You know what? Let's throw in some blush, and I'll tell you about it because I don't want to take too much of your time. We're almost done here. All right, fam bam, this is the finish. Look at all scrumptious for Black History Month. Black History Month. Woo woo! I mean, my skin is skinning, my brows are browing. I even did like a little blush thing on my nose. And sorry, I think I might be getting a code. And just for, I did use the crayon blusher case. And I put in the color, this color, the orange color, and the terracotta color together. And that's what I did to make this blush. So tell me, Black-owned products, they're good, right? Now I know Fenty is not Black-owned. It's co-owned with Rihanna, but she is the face. And I also know that ABH and Jackie just had a collaboration. But nevertheless, those are the face. So I wanted to at least go ahead and use those products. Tell me, is the look looking for your first Black History Month face? Yeah? Yeah? All right. Well, on that note, fam bam, I'm going to go because I got to go ahead and take the kids out. So thank you for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.